Hey everyone, Matt here from Generator Mart, and today we are going to be taking you all the way through the generator right in front of me. And we are so excited to announce this generator because this is Generator Mart's first exclusive product that you will only find on our website. That is the Generac GP9200E with 9200 watts of portable power. This is one of the best on the market right now. So let's go back to when it was still in its box. We'll take you through the assembly, take you through the features, show you all around one of our favorite new generators. So when you first get this generator, it's going to be in a box just like this guy right here. When you open it up, you're going to get the following items. The first thing you're going to see is your owner's manual. It's going to have all the information on this generator that you're ever going to need. Next thing you're going to see is this big brown box. And in here, you're gonna have your mobility kit. All right, in this box here, you're gonna have most of the components for your mobility kit. When you open it up, you're gonna see both of the wheels for your wheel kit, as well as some maintenancing items, including a bottle of oil and a funnel for this generator. Next up in the box, you're gonna have the handle for this generator, which is the same material that the frame of the generator is made out of. Very sturdy. You're not gonna damage this thing if you try. So now we've got everything laid out here. We've got our handle and cord over there. We've got the rest of our mobility kit here, along with our stabilizing feet and the maintenance kits. So now let's just go ahead and assemble this thing. All right, now she's all assembled and ready to go, so let's take you guys on a tour. Getting up close and personal with this Generac, we're gonna take you across the face panel. The first thing you're gonna notice on the far left-hand side is the co-sense technology that Generac has implemented, and this is a carbon monoxide detector. You've got two warnings here. On the bottom, this is gonna be your yellow warning when it first detects any sense of carbon monoxide. This one up top here is an automatic shutoff that when levels reach a dangerous amount based on this sensor, the generator will automatically shut itself off. You also have an emergency shutoff switch in case it's ever necessary. You've got your hour meter here, so you can monitor all of your hours and your maintenance intervals, a nice electric starter, and then getting over into the plugs, this is where this generator really shines. You have four 120 volt plugs, two here, and these are on individual breakers. You also have a 30 amp plug under this cover that is also on its own breaker. The 9200E also features another piece of cool Generac technology, and that is their Power Rush startup. So while this is a 9200 watt rated generator, Power Rush actually gives it a peak watt of 11,250 on startup. In addition, your mobility kit here, these wheels are plastic, which means they will never go flat on you. You don't have to worry about running anything over, getting a puncture, losing that tire pressure and having issues with it. Those wheels will be good as long as the generator is. All right, now we've assembled it and taken you through the specs. Let's take it outside and see how it sounds.
3, 2.
All right, so we brought the generator outside. We did connect the battery. We threw some oil in it, threw some gas in it. We're gonna start it up, and I've got a decibel reader right by the camera so we can see how loud this generator is from about 10 feet away. So here we go. All right, now you've seen it assembled, you've heard it run, and you've heard all the specs on this generator, so there's one more thing I'd love to ask for you to do. that's go over to generatormart.com and pick yourself up one of these Generacs today. If you do have any questions about it, leave them in the comments below or give us a call. We've got a full team standing by to answer any of your questions. We've got Antonio, we've got Rachel, we've got Jamie in the back working very hard. Always here for you guys. So give us a call or drop by our shop here in Brighton, Colorado. We'd love to have you. But other than that, we'll see you next time, guys, with our next best product.